Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Afner, and today we're going to talk about this question about the if and else and elif condition. That's what we're gonna do, okay? So it's like an enter your score. This is just a grade game. This is easy for revision, okay? Review. So, sentence, welcome to the fun grading game. Then you have to sentence not capitalized, which means you're gonna capitalize W. Then score, enter your score. If score is 100, A plus. If it's then 90, if it's greater or equal to 90, and score is less than 100, A minus. Same thing about 80 and greater than 90, A. And then greater equal to 70 and less than 80, greater equal to 60, less than 70, B minus. Greater equal to 50 and less than 60, that's B. And then what do we get here? Yeah. For C, greater equal to 40 and score is less than 50, that's C plus. Score, elif, greater equal to 30 and score is 40, and score is less than 40, that's C minus. Okay? So, greater equal to 20 and score is less than 30. So what does all these mean, right? What this basically means, like let's say I take the line 20 to 21 over here, right? Exactly. What we do is if I have the score of 21, right? Or like 29 equal to 20 or something that's greater than 20 but something that's less than 30, I get a C. So same thing with the other scores. Then same thing here, greater equal to 10 and less than 20. So like 50, 19, 10, right? And all those. That's a D plus. Else, if you get a score less than that, like 9, 1, or even 0, F minus. Okay, anyway. So if we run the code, welcome to the fun grading game. See, it's the W is the capital because of what we did, right? As you guys can see over here. So yeah, right there. So if we enter our score 100, that's an A plus. If my score is 1, F minus. The 0, F minus. If I say 9, F minus. If I say 10, if I say 10, D plus. If I say 15, or 16, that's a D plus. If I say 50, I get a B. So let's say if I say 99, I get that A minus, okay? If I say 100, A plus, right? If I get 10, D plus, right? And if I get 35, that's a C minus. Okay, so that's how the code works. So thank everyone for listening about how to do this question about the if, elif, and else condition, right? This is just a review basically, you can say. Feel free if you have any question. I hoped you like it, and bye.